Hi all, WordPress 3.6 is out for some time now and all must be wondering and eager to know the new addition to this new version. As it is also known as Oscar, which is named after a Canadian jazz pianist Oscar Peterson, has the following interesting features. It has the newly 2013 theme. It allows comparison in revisions, post locking, autosave, built-in HTML media player and a beautiful interface for menu addition. I'll be going through all of them one by one in this. First, let's look into the newly added 2013 theme. Keeping the promise of adding a theme annually, the core team has this time come up with a beautiful colorful theme 2013, which is very responsive and looks great in any and every screen sizes. Just in any screen sizes, may it be an iPad or a mobile, it's look beautiful. Then coming on to the new interface it has added for the menu addition. This interface mainly has two tabs, edit menus and manage locations. I found this new interface really refreshing and I think many others will find too. It gives a very good UI, beautiful, and also has the menu settings of adding new pages directly to the menu and also the option to add the navigation menu. Now let's move to the next feature, which is the improved autosave feature. What I would say is with WordPress 3.6 losing the content in WordPress is a myth now. Yeah, I said it right, it's a myth now, because with WordPress 3.6, may it be any reason, may it be session expiration, cookie expiration, or closing your tab or browser by accident, you don't lose your content. Yeah, right, you don't lose it anymore. What WordPress does it now is like uses the browser storage as well as the WordPress DB to store the revisions, and if it finds any difference it just let you know that we have auto saved you. Like here we see it is auto saved, you can see the revision, you can restore it. So like I said, losing content in WordPress 3.6 is a myth now. Now next move on to the next feature of revision comparison. Over the years, all the WordPress users have always found that revisions are very useful, but it was very difficult to find the difference between the two. With WordPress 3.6, you can do it very easily and not a pain anymore. With WordPress, you can find any difference between or compare the revisions. Like here we see, you can see the comparison, you can go ahead, see all the comparisons. Like here you can see the comparison where the post was empty, then was filled with some text. You can move ahead with the other comparison. You can even compare two revisions and you can restore the one we want to. So this is such a beautiful feature every bloggers or every site with multi-authors will cherish. With that, just let's move to the new feature, that is login notification. In the previous versions, when an user used to have a session expiration, he or she has to move to the login page and re-login again. Or in a, let's think of a case where you are in a multi-author site and you are editing something and your administrator changed your logins credentials. So what happens is like you have to go back to your login page, re-login and come back, and while doing so you loses your content. But like what I said before, with WordPress 3.6 losing content is a myth. For example, I have logged in with two different users in two different browsers. Let me go and change the admin credential, means the login credential for the other user. Just did it, and when we go to the other user, and just we see this, a login notification. You just got to know your if you have known your password, you just need to retype login, and you are on without losing your content. That's the beauty of WordPress 3.6. No losing. With that, let's move to the next feature, which is post locking feature. In the previous WordPress version, when one used to edit a post, the other user who has the access to the same post has to wait till the one finishes it. I think this feature would be very handy and useful in a multi-author site, when one can see if one's editing, and if he feels it's important, he can just take it over. Suppose I'm editing the sample page in here, and someone else wants to take it, want to see it. He sees that Maruti Mohanty is currently editing it, which will be me. So I'll just go here, I'll check, and it will a pop-up arise and says that he is editing, and you can either go back, preview, and take over. I would take over and do the edit, and there you are, you can do it. And at the same time, the other sees that you have taken over, and he would know that it's really important and you are working on it. So it's the beauty of. Now let's move on to a next new feature, which is improved media embedding. With WordPress 3.6, media embedding into WordPress has become easier than ever. If you want a video or a music into your post, you can simply paste the path to the file or upload it using the media uploader and publish it, and that will turn into a nice player on your front end. For example, I have pasted an audio file in here. Let's see it in the front end, and this is how it looks. It looks like in a beautiful media player, and it works well. With all these features, there are many more, such as new audio and video APIs to use media metadata such as ID3 tags. Now .webm added to the meme type list. Now you can sort the library with author. Now you can also set a post format as default under settings, writings, and there are many others which are listed in your WordPress codex. And with that, there are also, with this WordPress 3.6, there are more than 700 plus bugs fixed. So these are a lot more of reasons to cherish about 3.6, and no doubt this is the best and greatest of WordPress version ever. So that will be all in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, and have a great day ahead.